So welcome students in class 6 exercise first B subject mathematics. So question number second we will start today. Estimate each of the following nearest hundred. I had already explained you how to round off or how to estimate nearest tens, and now nearest hundred. Okay, so look at here. 170 plus 395. This is ones, tens, hundred. This is ones, tens, hundred. Okay. So we have to round off nearest hundred. So which place we will see? We will see hundred place. So we will observe the tens place. Here is 9 greater than 5, then it will become 0, 0, and here plus 1 we will do. So 3 plus 1, 4. Plus this is 100 place, so this place we have to do round off, so we will observe tens place is here 7 greater than 5, so if greater than 5 then it will become 0, it will become 0, and here plus 1, so 200 will come. So now we will add them, so 200 plus 400, 600 answer will come. Understood? So 395 comes between 300 and 400. So 395 is closer than that of 400, and 170 is nearest to 200. So it is 200. Now we have added these both, so 600. Now here nearest 100. So what is the place? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So we have to round off nearest 100. Means इस वाली place को round off करना है. So we will observe the tens place. इसे देखेंगे. Here is greater than 5. 5 से ज़्यादा है. It will become 0. It will become 0, and here plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4, and 4 same as it is. Plus again 100 place we have to do round off. 2 को round off करना है. So we will see tens place here. So here is a greater than 5, so it will become 0, it will become 0, and here plus 1 we will do. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So now we will add these both. 0, 0, 4 and 3, 7, 4 and 3, 7. So this is our answer. Understood everybody? How to do? Now third part, 5130. 5130 plus 1410. 1410. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So this is 100 place. Here we have to do round off. So we will observe this. Here is 1 less than 5. It will become 0, it will become 0, and this 4 is same as it is, 1 as same as it is. Okay. Again at 100 place we have to round off, so we will see tens place. Here is less than 5, 5 से छोटा है, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये 0 और ये 1 same as it is, and 5 same as it is. So now we will add 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 1, 6. So answer is 6500. Understood everybody? So this was addition. Same we will have to do subtraction also. Okay. So subtraction. In subtraction, 678 minus 250 minus 250. So ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. So 100 place round off we have to do. So we will observe tens place. It is less than 5. It will become 0. It will become 0, and here 2 minus. This is 100 place round off we have to do. So this place we will observe 7 greater than 5. So it will become 0, it will become 0, and here plus 1 we will do. 6 plus 1, 7. So now 700 minus 200, 500. So this is our आंसर। ठीक है, जिस प्लेस को भी राउंड ऑफ करना है उसके आगे वाला डिजिट देखना है। अगर वो 5 से छोटा है तो ये दोनों 0 हो जाते हैं और ये सेम एज रहता है। अगर ये 5 से बड़ा होता है तो ये दोनों 0 हो जाते हैं और यहाँ 1 ऐड कर देते हैं। अंडरस्टूड? ओके। सो नाउ फिफ्थ पार्ट, 957 minus 578. Okay, so this is 1 10 100, this is 1 10 100. Okay, so round off 100, so we will observe tens place. Here is 7 greater than 5, it will become 0, it will become 0, and here plus 1 we will do 5 plus 1 6 minus, here we have to round off nearest 100, so we will observe tens place. क्या है यहाँ पे 5 है। अगर 5 हो या 5 से बड़ा हो तो ये दोनों तो हो जाते हैं 0 और यहाँ हम प्लस 1 कर देते हैं। so 9 plus 1 10 and that means 1000. so what answer will come? 1000 minus 600, 400. so answer 400. Understood? I hope these questions you understood nicely. Okay, so now next question, last question of this exercise. Estimate each of the following nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. So question number 3rd, nearest 1000. Okay, so first part, we have to solve first part, 32,836 plus 16,466. So look at here how to do. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So which place we have to round off? 1000. So 1000 place. At 1000 place what is there? 6. So we will observe ahead of 1000, that means 100 place digit we have to observe. It is less than 5. if 5 से छोटा है तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. This also become 0, this also become 0, and these both will come same as 0. Okay, this is round off nearest 1000. Here also we have to round off nearest 1000. So this is 1000 place. Okay, so we will observe the 100 place. What is there? 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 5 से बड़ा है. So it will become 0, it will become 0, it will become 0, and here plus 1 we will do. So 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so now we will add it. 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. 6 plus 3, 9, 3 and 1, 4. So 49,000 is our answer. Understood everybody? Similarly, we have to subtract also. Okay, addition we have seen how to do. Now subtraction also we have to do. 35,863 minus 27,677. Okay, so now this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so now we have to round off 1000. So we will observe 100. Okay, 100 place we will observe. Here is 6 greater than 5. So ये 0, 0, 0 and here plus 1 we will use. So this is 8 and 2 same as it. Okay, minus 1000 place we have to round off, so we will observe 100 place. It is greater than 5, so it will become 0, 0, 0 and here plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6, 36,000. Okay. Now we have to subtract 30 from 28,000. We have to subtract from 36,000. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 8 means 16 minus 8, 8 and 2 minus 2, 0. So that means our answer is 8,000. Understood? So how to round off nearest tens, how to round off nearest 100, how to round off nearest 1000, and how to do estimation, means how to add and how to subtract. This I have told, and I hope these all questions you understood very nicely. Okay, so these type of questions you will have to do practice, and the remaining parts of these questions you will have to solve in your homework. Okay, thank you.